Welcome back, guys. Today's the day. What do you got, Zach?
What do I got?
Yeah, what do you got?
Do you know what this is? You see this?
Uh-huh.
You see this?
Yep.
This?
What is it? What is it called?
It's an oil pan gasket.
That's right. So, we're going to throw that on the engine, and the engine's going back in. Hopefully, for the last time. Cue horrendous foreshadowing for BMW shit. That might not be how you install. No, it doesn't go in there. It's supposed to prevent that. So since the last video, it has a new valve cover gasket, a new slave cylinder, and soon that because the one on there is all cracked.
It's not going on.
You might have to work a little bit harder than that. So that's going in, and then the other fun part is, of course, our manual pedals, because the car was an auto. So we get this fun little treat. Now that's, like I was saying, the fun time-lapse footage of me swearing underneath the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And could you not? All right. Engine's in, and of course the other thing that we were doing was clutch pedal and stuff there. And so we're gonna install our super cheap Amazon shifter for maximum upgrade, and we're gonna see how that feels. I don't remember. Anyway, the engine's in, transmission is all bolted up, the shifter's in, pedals are in. I think we just have the drive shaft, finish up the interior. I'm working on the radio, and then I think it's after that it's just bolting up. We gotta put the bell back on, and then
plug in all the sensors,
plug it all in, cooling system,
power steering system.
And
all
then
the air conditioner lines.
Well, those come later. And then the front end. And then it's ready to go. It's now legal. So we're hoping to have it done this weekend so we can drive it around for the first time. So, we're going to get in.
Zach, what do we got here? What are we doing?
This is the power steering bleeder apparatus 7 million. Obviously, the power steering system's been disconnected, so now we got to bleed it. And from my experience, this is the best way to get all the air out. So we're probably going to work the wheel back a couple of times to make sure we get all the big major air out, and then we're going to put a vacuum on it, see if we can suck all the what's left air bubble-wise out of it. That way we get the best possible chance for this arthritic power steering pump to do something. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then after that, we got the manifold to put on, and then a bunch of other little bits and bobs.
Coolant.
Fuel lines.
Wire harness.
Headlights. Yes. But we're nearing the finish line. We're getting there.
Yeah. Is now 3:45 in the morning.
Look, there it is.
It is now time for the startup.
Yeah. You seem like the test startup, which the exhaust is on, but that's sort of for show.
It's the cat, and that's it.
Yep. So rest in peace, our neighbors who are trying to sleep. But this thing has to do with.
I mean, with how many people drive down this road with no exhaust on their cars, I don't think we're going to be a problem having a BMW that still at least has a cat just idling and burping it. So,
all right, Zach.
Ah! You got dirt in my eye. You fucking piece of shit.